So finally, Google has launched their Pixel series with lots of new feature, updates, and changes. This time Google introduced the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Pixel Watch 3, and Pixel Buds 2. First, let us start with the base variant, the Pixel 9. It has a 6.3-inch 1080p display with 2700 nits peak brightness and thinner bezels all around. And yes, we finally have an ultrasonic fingerprint reader. It also has a new design with flat matte metal sides and a glass back, available in 4 colors: obsidian, porcelain, wintergreen, and peony. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and Google's new Tensor G4 processor, an upgrade from the Tensor G3. The Pixel 9 has a 4700 mAh battery and supports 27-watt charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and 12-watt reverse wireless charging. Camera-wise, the Pixel 9 retains its unique design with a flat island and large lens openings, which look great. On the back, there are 2 lenses, a 50-megapixel main lens and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 10.5-megapixel selfie camera. The results from these cameras are amazing, and the Pixel 9 starts at $799. But how could we forget the AI features that come with the Pixel 9 series? Let's take a look. There's a new weather AP, a separate AP for screenshots, the Pixel Studio AP for air-generated images, and the most interesting, the Add Me feature. If you ever need to take a group photo but don't have anyone to snap it for you, the Add Me feature can help. First, open the camera and move it around a bit to capture the environment. The photographer takes a picture of everyone else, leaving space for themselves. After that, someone else from the group takes over as the photographer and tells the first person where to stand. The APP shows an overlay of where everyone was to keep the framing consistent. Once the second photo is taken, Google merges both pictures into one, creating a group photo that includes everyone. Now, let's talk about the Pixel 9 Pro. It has the same screen size, 6.3 inches, but with a 1280p display and 3000 nits peak brightness. It uses the same Tensor G4 processor, with 16 GB of RAM, the same battery, and the same cameras. However, it also includes a 48-megapixel telephoto lens on the back that supports 5x digital zoom. On the front, there's a 48-megapixel selfie camera. The Pixel 9 Pro is available in 4 colors: obsidian, porcelain, hazel, and rose quartz, starting at $999. The third model is the Pixel 9 Pro XL. It has the same specs as the Pixel 9 Pro, except for a sharper, brighter, and larger 6.8-inch display and a bigger 5060 mAh battery. This model starts at $1,099. And finally, we have the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's dramatically improved from last year, at the same price of $1,799. It has a 6.3-inch display, the same size as the Pixel 9 base model, with much thinner bezels. It's brighter, lighter, and from the inside, it features an 8-inch display that feels very premium. The camera bump has changed, but it's still impressive. Of course, it comes with 16 GB of RAM, the Google Tensor G4 processor, and all the AI features that come with the Pixel 9 series. Google also released their new Pixel Watch 3. It's basically the same design, but comes in 2 sizes: 41mm, starting at $349, and 45mm, starting at $399. And here are the Pixel Buds Pro 2. They are very tiny, and inside, they have the A1 chip based on Tensor, which improves active noise cancellation and sound quality. They start at $299. That's a quick overview of Google's new Pixel series. If you want a full review of each model, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be diving into all the details soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.